flip in Fresno.
It's no, just Khach. Like Khach is what people call me.
Can't do the throat.
Khach, Khach, Khach,
Like Dodge, but with a hunch.
Khach. The blue one, actually, that's a prefab cabinet.
Oh.
That's not one of the ones we make ourselves. Basically, the boxes you see behind me, that's how the cabinets come, and we assemble them here and go straight to the customer's house. The difference between those and custom is, custom you can make any size, any dimensions you want without any joints. Custom ones, it just takes a lot longer. A lot longer. It's because it takes a lot of work, yeah.
Right?
You gotta take the measurements, you gotta make everything from scratch. First step is you'll see me at the house measuring. From there, we'll go to the showrooms, either here on Shaw Brawley or McKinley Blackstone. We'll just sit down, do the layout for you. We'll show you the design, and if you approve the design, we'll get started. These are the black ones here. I'll pull it out so you can see. With the custom cabinetry, we can do the kitchens however people want. We could do the European style that you don't see too often here in town, especially in Fresno. You don't see those European style cabinets. This is the vertical saw. It cuts the material down to the rough size. Basically, the vertical saw cuts this down to this size, or whatever size that the house needs. Then it goes on to the next machine, which is a smaller table saw. You know, cut it down to a smaller length. This is gonna notch out the space where the back goes. And from there, it goes on to the edge bending machine. It goes from a raw end like this into a finished end. It puts an edge on each panel. So it's not the raw edge, it covers it up with plastic. This is part of the reason why our prices are so much better than other companies. It's because we're in all of it, and we're not feeding our family just off of cabinets. You know, we're not feeding our families just off of countertops or backsplash or this certain thing. We're taking a little cut from each one, you know, and giving the customer the best deal possible. The only thing this machine does is it literally just punches in these holes. So you can put in that wood in there and it'll make that male and female, which you can connect the two cabinet sides, the two panels together. For with us, you have one number to call. It's 559-277-8628. That number will take care of everything. And then you just connect the two pieces together. No, I love it here. It was not even a choice. You know, I came here, I started working I used to do demo when I was like 15, 16, right out of high school. I used to just go help out, you know, help out my cousins working. Yeah, it was fun. It was hard work though. It was hard work. The fifth one, yeah, the last machine, it's a press that presses it all together and it puts glue in the joints. So that's, you know, it makes the cabinet much stronger. Well, right now we're mainly working on our own showroom, so we can display our work. But we have already done a few vanities. So now you know what we do here. Thanks for visiting, thanks for taking a tour to our new warehouse where we make all the custom cabinets, and I hope to see you soon.